Hi, Suzanne here from Sweet Spaces. I'm here to show you how to fold a fitted sheet, a queen size fitted sheet. I know it's not an easy task, and I actually enjoy doing it. And quite often I see this kind of a rolled up kind of thing, which really isn't space efficient, or maybe you have a hard time finding all your sheets matching. Okay, so I'm going to show you that I take the fitted sheet, I take two corners, the short end of the bed. So I will take this corner, and I put them together. So now I take the other end and do the same thing. I take this corner and this corner. So now these are actually the corners of the mattress. And as you can see, when I turn around, how it looks. So there's a double together. So then I take the two corners and put them together. So now all four corners are sitting in the same spot here, if you notice, just like that. Okay, now I can do this standing up, but a lot of times it's a lot easier if you have a flat surface to lay the sheet down flat. This is what it should look like when you're going to lay it down flat. So I will just take it and fold it in half, and then in half again. Again, it's much easier when you're laying it down flat, which I will do. My cat's in the way. Excuse me, Charlie. Okay. So then it's down flat. Whoop, there she goes. And then I just fold it up and fold it until I have a nice, neat package. Now that's a lot better, right? Fits in the closet better. You can find it. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll take my flat sheet, put it with it, and encase it in my pillowcases. So then I have a whole set together. I'll show that to you as well. Have a nice day. Hope you enjoyed my little tutorial on how to fold a fitted sheet. Try it, you'll like it.